That was a magnificent performance on ISRO. Let us once again come together to celebrate the outstanding contributions, exploration, innovation, and excellence that describes our nation's pursuit for space research. It is now time to reflect upon this past year. We are proud of the progress we have made towards our goals. We have faced challenges, overcome obstacles, and achieved milestones. Let us now take a journey to the highlights of this past year to this annual report. Presenting before you our annual highlights.
Most respected Chief Guest, Mrs. Navneet Kaur Bal, our Guest of Honor, Reverend Father Thomas, our Director, Reverend Father Josti, our Principal, Reverend Sister Elizabeth, most Reverend Fathers and Sisters from different convent schools, and our dear parents and all our invited guests. A very good afternoon to all of you. We raise our hearts in gratitude to God Almighty and thank Him for all His graces.
With His blessings, we are now going to present before you our annual school report, a reflection of our achievements for the year gone by.
We set goals and standards for ourselves and strive to achieve them in all the areas such as academics, sports, discipline and leadership.
We shall now begin with academics. The academic year 2024 commenced on a wonderful note. The tiny tots were welcomed and elaborate arrangements were made to make these blooming birds feel at home away from home.
We are happy to share with you details of the commendable performance of our students in board exam. The 10th and 12th standard, ICSE and ISC board exam results came out on 5th May. For the 10th standard, a total 159 students appeared for the exam and all 159 passed with flying colors, making themselves, the school, their teachers and parents proud. Manmeet Kaur and Manmeet Kaur topped the list. The second topper was Ravjot Singh and the third topper was Veronica.
3 of our students scored an absolute 100 in computer applications and 2 scored 100 on 100 in history civics.
On the long-standing demand of parents, ISE, that is standard 11th and 12th were introduced and the first batch gave an outstanding result. 75 students appeared in all the streams, that is medical, non-medical and commerce. And the first batch gave a commendable performance with a 100% result.
In the medical stream, the first position was bagged by Rigved Prashar with an unbeatable 98.5%. The second position went to Ujjalpreet Kaur and the third position was bagged by Navjeet Kaur. Rigved also scored an absolute 100 in biology.
In the non-medical stream, the first position went to Dhruv Puri. The second position was shared by 2 students, Manbir Singh and Meherpreet Kaur. The third position was bagged by Vansh Vaid. Manbir scored an absolute 100 in computer science.
Our first batch of commerce section also made us proud with an outstanding result. The list was topped by Riddhi. The second position was bagged by 2 candidates, Khushi Bhalla and Sumit Ghai. The third position was bagged by Sahil.
Excellence in academics is the hallmark of any good institution. None of these achievements would have been possible without the single-minded commitment and dedicated care of Reverend Father Jose, our director, dear Sister Elizabeth, our principal and our teachers. We are also constantly encouraged by our parents and well-wishers who have shown confidence in us and always given their support.
To be a great champion, you must believe you are the best. Sports competitions, sports and physical fitness occupy a place of importance in our curriculum.
Our students represented us in zonal, regional, and national levels and brought laurels by winning medals and trophies.
Our school bagged the winner's trophy in carom board competition, under 14 and under 19 boys category, and the runners-up trophy in under 17 girls category, conducted in Nawashehar.
The school lifted the winner's trophy in ASISC zonal level basketball competition conducted at Palaw.
We hosted the ASISC zonal level Kho-Kho competitions and emerged as winners in both boys and girls under 14, under 17 and under 19 categories. We were also the champions in volleyball competitions held in Adampur. In the ASISC zonal level football tournament, our school won the winner's trophy in the under 19 category and the runners-up trophy in the under 17 category.
We also won the Champions Trophy in under 19 boys category of the chess tournament held in Deepnagar, and the same event under 19 girls, under 17 boys and girls and under 14 boys lifted the runners-up trophy.
Jashanpreet Singh Jhagra represented the school at national level and won the first prize in long jump. 8 of our students bagged the third prize in athletics. Inter-house sports competitions also helped the students to showcase their talents and earn points for their houses.
Strength does not come from physical capacity. It comes from teamwork and unity. The students of our school are divided into 4 houses, namely blue, green, red and yellow. Each house is managed by house moderators and house captains. The house on duty performs its duty of conducting day-to-day activities and competitions in a systematic manner.
All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. We at St. Joseph's believe that education is the all-round development of the child in body, mind and spirit. Various co-curricular activities were conducted to develop children physically, morally, socially and mentally and to hone their skills in co-scholastic areas. The school participated in zonal level declamation competition and won prizes. Our school was also selected as the best Olympiad coordinating team.
We celebrated Director's Day.
Reverend Father Jose G has been a constant source of inspiration. He has always guided and steered us with examples. He is a great communicator and a leader who knows exactly how to carry forward his mission of strive towards excellence, a mission of proclamation through which proper knowledge of events and history is handed over to the future generation. The school has undergone a lot of positive changes and development under his supervision. Infrastructure, steps taken to ensure complete safety of every child, motivating teachers to handle children with love and care are a few to mention. So we take this opportunity to extend our deepest gratitude to our pillar of strength, our director, Reverend Father Jose T.
We celebrated Principal's Day.
Reverend Sister has also been a guiding force through every thick and thin. She has resolved to pursue the daunting task of producing children who have the potential to transform the nation into a strong, self-sufficient power. She takes every step and encourages her teaching staff to chisel and groom students and make them aware of their potentials. The school has witnessed an upward growth. It is fast emerging as a reflection of her positive ideas and thoughts. All thanks to her focused vision, coupled with her dynamism.
Education is not confined to the 4 walls of classroom. Educational trips were organized for all the classes to different spots. These trips provided the much needed recreation and filled the students with enthusiasm.
We teach our students the art of living well. On May 1st, we celebrated St. Joseph's Day, the day of our patron saint. On this occasion, senior students presented a skit highlighting the importance of hard work and dignity of labor that are the very essence of the life of our patron saint, St. Joseph.
Since 1st May is also celebrated as World Labour Day, an annual day for the celebration of the achievements of workers. On this occasion, we felicitated the members of the ancillary. A beautiful cultural program was organized for them as a gesture of acknowledgement of their services to the school.
Independence Day was celebrated in the school on 15th August.
Following the tradition, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan's birthday was celebrated as Teachers' Day on 5th September. Children greeted their teachers and presented a colorful program in their honor. Reverend Sister Principal took the teachers to Jalandhar for a movie which was followed by lunch.
Children's Day was celebrated on 14th November. Teachers presented the morning assembly and a colorful program to show their affection for students.
The St. Joseph's family comprises well-trained, experienced, and dedicated teaching staff, administrative staff, and supporting staff.
Staying updated is the key to success in any field, and especially in the field of education. Our teachers, as well as our sister principal, constantly strive to stay updated by attending workshops and various training programs.
We have upgraded our infrastructure. Our computer lab is upgraded with 35 computer systems with net facilities in them. We have upgraded our bio, chemistry, and physics labs with all the required equipments. And we also have a fully equipped library.
All our classes have been converted into digitally smart classes. Interactive panels have been installed in our senior secondary wing.
Washrooms in the Madonna building have been upgraded with sensor facilities in them.
And in our bid to fulfill the long-standing demand of the parents and to combat extreme unbearable heat during summer season, I proudly announce that ACs have been installed in all the classes and St. Joseph's Convent School is now centrally air-conditioned. For all these, we extend our heartfelt thanks to Reverend Bishop Agnello Rufino Gracious, who has always extended his love and support to us and has helped us to emerge as an apex institution of this region. We also extend our gratitude to the chairman of Dyson Board of Education, Reverend Father Jose, without whose love, guidance and support we could not become what we are today. In this competitive world, we are a force to reckon with.
Many milestones have been achieved, and many still have to be reached. We at St. Joseph's will continue our unceasing efforts to mold young minds into well-balanced personalities, with confidence and zeal befitting the standards of this portal of education.
This report is a sincere attempt to showcase our progress in terms of achievements and activities during the year. On this memorable occasion, as we recount our success with pride and happiness, we wish to dedicate all our achievements to the committed team called St. Joseph's Convent School and our dear parents and our well-wishers.
In the end, I would conclude by saying, as the day ends with a golden light, the stage is set for a wondrous sight. Let us drink in a breath, a cup of togetherness, and when the sun is about to set, let us remember till eternity these hours of togetherness spent in peace and amity. Thank you, everyone.